Look no further than the 2020 Chrysler 300. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The 300 delivers the smart technology you need to be safe and connected, a ride that's smooth and quiet, and bold styling that conveys an air of distinction. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Why not treat yourself to the comfort of a premium sedan? Take the 300 out for a drive and rediscover elegance.